Hello beautiful people, thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe, press that red button for more videos. So here we are going to, this is the food we are going to eat. This is okra soup with melon. Okay, watch out for my previous video how we prepare this okra soup. This is my fufu, Nigerian fufu. So watch out for my previous video how we prepare this fufu. It's on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, share. Oh, come and join us. Oh, this is Nigerian fufu.
Yes, beautiful people, we are at it again. This is okra and egusi soup. Mm. Wow,
Yeah, Philip.
this looks delicious. Mm. Mm. Water, okay. Okay. Yeah, take. Viewers, this is delicious. The recipe about this food is on our YouTube channel. Okra and egusi soup.
Eat now.
Mm.
I see now. Eat.
Mm.
Stop. Eat. Don't touch me now with your hand.
Philip, eat.
Philip.
Mm. This is super delicious. Eat. Yes.
Viewer, come and join us.
Please, you are invited though. Grow pepper.
Life.
Petty. Wow. This is Nigeria fufu. Take. Okay. It's like those people they lost it. Also, I need fridge. Yes, eat. Viewers, this is delicious, super delicious. This egusi and melon soup, sorry, okra and melon soup. It has this utazi leaf. Wow.
With stuffed fish.
Mm-hmm.
Wash it.
It's on our YouTube channel.
You.
So delicious. Wow. Water. Mm. Let me show viewers. Well, you can see how all the fufu is. The smoke is still coming out. This is our okra egusi utazi leaf, recent leaf. This is Philip's own. That is the smoke. Manuela. Wow. This is so yummy. Wow. Manuela, what are you going to tell viewers?
Bye-bye, yo.
Philip, say bye-bye.
See you in our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe. Oh. Bye-bye.
I want to